up here at the track, and look what Corey's on. 2024 YFZ 450 Special Edition. Got him hooked up down at Waynesburg Power South. Cousin Brian got him a good deal if you guys need any dirt bikes or quads or side-by-sides. Yeah, dude. Look at Corey on this thing. He finally got good suspension, good brakes, power. I can finally like get on it up this hill behind him. Oh god, don't roost me like Midley did. Oh, he got so much air! What?
Yeah, you just fucking
That one time the last time I just hit this jump, that was the first time I cleared this one.
Yeah.
Clean machine. Oh, that's cool. That hole right there is to adjust your shock, like compression and stuff, and your rebound. Yeah. A little screwdriver in there.
I knew that.
I knew that. Yeah. I knew everything about it before we got it. Oh my god, that was so sketchy. I'm not gonna lie, that was super sketch. Oh, I need a break after that. Woo! I cleared all three of them. That felt good, but I was like, I gotta slow down.
Damn, that's sketch.
I hit them all in third. First one, I like you did, come up the hill in third. Tapped it, cleared the second one, and the third one I was like, ah! Yeah, I just sent it, and it did it. I was like, oh, fuck. That felt pretty good. A little nervous, but
Sometimes you gotta send it.
fuck yeah, dude.
Just know where you're at.
Fuck yeah. Oh, hey! I stalled it and just slid out.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I'm fine.
We got a little bit of.
Bleh.
We'll keep that part out of the video.
Yeah. A little quicker after that one. It feels so cool seeing Corey finally clear that, like, with little effort, dude. Him on a 450 is like, fits him nice, so good job, Corns.